Everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a nice bilateral maths Olympiad question. This question is AB is equal to 100, BC is equal to 2000, this is 1000, CA is equal to 3000, a square plus B square plus A square is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths Olympiad question. So at this moment we are solve this maths. So our math solution here, AB is equal to 1000, so I take this value, it will be AB is equal to 1000 and VC is equal to 2000 and CA is equal to 3000. Now at this moment I multiply this equation by both sides by C, so it will be ABC is equal to 1000 C. Yes, I multiply both sides by C. Then here is BC, so I multiply both sides by A, so it will be ABC is equal to 2000 A. Then here CA, so I multiply this both sides by V, so it will be AVC is equal to 3000 V. Now at this moment this is AVC, this is AVC, this is AVC. So you can say easily ABC here is equal, so this value also equal, so it will be 1000 C is equal to 2000 A is equal to 3000 B. Now at this moment if I divide both value, this value by 1000, so 1000 it will be C, then this value by 1000 divided by 1000 it will be 2A, and this divide it will be 3B. So we are find out C is equal to 2A is equal to 3B. So at this moment let or suppose that here C is equal to 2A is equal to 3B is equal to K. Now at this moment here C is equal to K and here is 2A is equal to K and 3B is equal to K. Here is K is not is equal to 0. Now here C is equal to K, but A is equal to K over 2. I divide both sides by 2, and at this moment I divide both sides by 3, so it will be B is equal to K over 3. So C is equal to K, A is equal to K over 2, V is equal to K over 3. Now our question here, a square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? But we don't know K is equal to what. So at this moment we will find out K is equal to what in this math problem. But recall or remember that our first equation AV is equal to 1000. So A it will be K over 2 and V it will be K over 3 is equal to 1000. Now this expression it will be K square is equal to 6 is equal to 1000. Now at this moment you can say here is K square 1000 times 6. I mean I multiply both sides by 6, so 6 cancel, and 1000 times 6 it will be 6000. So we are find out here is K square it will be 6000. But our question, a square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? So this is our question, a square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? But at this moment you can say here is A square, it will be K over 2 whole to the power 2, K over 2 whole to the power 2, and V square V it will be K over 3 bracket power is 2, and C square will be K to the power 2. I put A, B, C here. A is equal to K over 2 and B is equal to K over 3 and C is equal to K. Now at this moment here K square is equal to 4 plus K square is equal to 9 plus K square. Now you can say here is K square, K square, K square, so K to the power 2 is common, so this divide this it will be 1 over 4, this divide this it will be 1 over 9, and this divide this it will be 1. Now here K square times, and here is least common value is 36, and this divide this it will be 9 this divide this, it will be 4, and this divide this, it will be 36. Now we are finding out here is k square times 49 over 36. It's okay, but recall or remember that k square is equal to 6,000. So I put this value here, so it will be 6,000 times 49 over 36. Now at this point, if we divide both this value by 12, so it will be 3, and this value will be 500. Now this 500 times 49, it will be 24500 divided by 3. This is our final answer in this interesting maths Olympiad question. This is our solution in this maths problem. Thank you all. If you enjoy this maths Olympiad question, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.